TERPlife app is designed to provide you with information on campus resources and events throughout your time here at the University of Maryland. From being a prospective student to joining the TERP family, you'll be able to utilize this tool to learn more about Maryland and make the transition to campus easier. Available for iOS and Android, you can download this free app and have everything at your fingertips in seconds. Within the TERPlife app, you can find the guide for your event in the Discover section, or by simply searching for it. Once you download the guide, it will appear in the My Guide section of the app, so you can easily refer back to it throughout the day. Inside the guide, you will see more information about the event and tips for planning your visit. From the menu, you can access a complete schedule and start figuring out which activities you want to attend. Press the plus button next to each session that you're interested in order to add it to your own customized schedule. You can even set a reminder notification to alert you 15 minutes before the session begins. From the menu, select My Schedule to view all the sessions you saved and fine-tune your choices. Please note, adding a session or other activity to your schedule does not reserve your spot. Be sure to arrive early, as sometimes sessions may fill up quickly. Once you've set up your schedule, be sure to check out the other features of the guide. Throughout the day, you can save important information or reminders in the My Notes section, access campus maps, and explore dining options and majors at UMD. We are looking forward to seeing you on campus soon. Use #NowAtTerp to share your experience with us on Twitter and Instagram.